Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to make Photoshop run buttery smooth on Windows 11 by wiping out lagging and stuttering. This quick guide targets the exact memory allocation and hardware settings within Adobe Photoshop to optimize resource distribution and stop real-time rendering delays. First, launch Photoshop. Click the Edit menu located at the very top left of the application interface. Hover over Preferences near the bottom of the drop-down menu and click Performance from the side menu to open the System Configuration panel. Look at the Memory Usage section on the upper left. Adjust the Let Photoshop Use slider to allocate between 70% and 80% of your total system RAM. Leaving it higher than 85% will choke your Windows system background tasks. Next, look to the right under Graphics Processor Settings. Ensure the checkbox explicitly labeled Use Graphics Processor is checked. Click the Advanced Settings button. Now click the checkbox explicitly labeled Use OpenCL to enable it, then click OK to close the advanced dialog. Move your eyes under History and Cache and locate the input field for history states. Reduce this value from the default 50 down to 20 or 30 to significantly lower the active scratch disk workload. Finally, click the OK button in the top right corner of the window to apply all system rules in real time. Restart your Photoshop software for a completely fresh, lag-free session. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.